Good day, Miss. I am Raisa Manuel, a student nurse from Mati Doctors College, and today I am going to perform a return demonstration. Procedure: check the doctor's order. Assemble all equipment needed to save time and effort. Wash hand to reduce the spread of microorganisms. Explain the procedure to the patient to gain patient's cooperation and reduce patient's anxiety. Good day, ma'am. I am Raisa Manuel, a student nurse from Mati Doctors College, and today I am going to conduct a percussion and vibration to you para ma-free na to itong mucus na natin sa Gemini. Instruct the patient to use diaphragmatic breathing, help the patient to relax, and help rib cage expansion. Ma'am, pwede ko na mag-inhale. Exhale lang po. Inhale. Exhale. Position the patient in a prescribed postural drainage position. The spine should be straight to promote rib cage expansion. The patient is positioned according to the area of the lung that is need to be drained. Ma'am, pwede ko ma'am. I-position na kita, ma'am. Stay ka na, ma'am. Percuss with cup hand over the chest wall for 5 minutes over a segment of cystic fibrosis, 1 to 2 minutes for other condition. The lower ribs to shoulder to back. Ma'am, gunit ko ma'am ha. Percuss ko ma'am ha. Lower ribs to the top of the chest to front. Ma'am, gunit. Anak lang ka ma'am. Avoid clapping over the spine, liver, kidney, spleen, breast, sternum, and clavicle. Percussion in this area may cause injuries to the spine or internal organs. Instruct the patient to inhale slowly and deeply. Vibrate the chest wall as the patient exhales. Ma'am, pwede po mag-inhale lang, ma'am. So, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Place one hand on the top over the affected area, or place one hand on each side of the rib cage. Tense the muscle of the arms and hands while applying moderate pressure, and vibrate arms and hands. Relieve pressure on the thorax as the patient inhales. Ma'am, inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Encourage the patient to cough using abdominal muscle after 3 to 4 vibrations. Ma'am, ubulag na ma'am. Ulit. Allow the patient to rest several times. Ma'am, rest lang sa tabang. Listen with stethoscope for changes on breath sound. That will be all. Thank you. Next is postural drainage position. Procedure: check the physician's order. Assemble all equipment needed to save time and effort. Wash hand to reduce the spread of microorganisms. Identify and explain the procedure to the patient. Today, ma'am, may I know your name? Okay. For today, ma'am, I am going to conduct a post-Geraldine position, which is para ma-help na ma-lessen ang mucus na nasa inyong lungs. Po? Screen the patient if confined to ward. Let the patient lie to the tail table. Drain upper lobe. Have the patient sit up if possible. Ma'am, magulit ko ba? Pero ito, position sit up. Ma'am. Okay po. Have the patient lean right, 45 degrees angle, and left side, same angle for 5 minutes. Ma'am, pwede mo lean forward. For right, ma'am. Okay. So, let's assume normal na ang 5 minutes. So, another side na po, ma'am. So, have the patient lean forward, 30 to 45 degrees angle for 5 minutes, and backward, same angle, another 5 minutes. Ma'am, another position na ito. Ang gulit ko lang, ha? Sige, ma'am. Lean lang ito forward. So, let's assume naman na ang 5 minutes, dito po ito sa back. Wait lang, ma'am. Ito, ma'am. Have the patient lie on his abdomen, back and side both with horizontal. Ma'am, papunta ma'am. So, drain lower lobe. Place patient in left side lying position on the bed or table. Use pillow or bed guts to elevate hips higher than head. Ma'am, banita ma'am. Lying position. Ma'am, hinalang ka ma'am. Sige ma'am. Butangan na to o ano dali ma'am ha. Have patient lie on each of the following 6 positions for 5 minutes, breathing deeply. On left side with shoulder perpendicular to the bed. So, ma'am, ano lang ka ma'am? Wait lang ma'am. On the left side with shoulder slanted backward, 45 degrees angle to bed. Ma'am. On the back, on the right side with shoulder slanted backward at 45 degree angle. Right side ito naman. On the head with turn to side. So on the head. While still on the abdomen, have the patient cough to raise secretion. Provide a kidney basin or MSS basin and sputum cup for laboratory examination if indicated. lang ta, ma'am. Do the mouth care. To cleanse the patient mouth so it will not alter the taste. Return the patient in a comfortable position and allow to rest. So, ma'am, balikan sa itong position, ma'am. Do the mouth care. To cleanse the patient's mouth so that it will not alter the taste. Ma'am? Do the aftercare. To cleanse the patient's mouth so that it will not alter the taste and may not cause bad breath. Document the following: position, use, and therapy, secretion procedure, changes in respiratory rate, and other reaction of the patient. And that will be all for my return demonstration.